So I'm Ajay Dholakia. I'm in the DCG in Lenovo, Chief Technologist for our software and solutions development team. So now actually you can think about pretty much anything that could get on the internet. So think of a remote patient care setting. You could be monitoring your blood pressure, or you could be taking some other vitals, and those get communicated to a collection hub, which would then get transferred to a processing location. So in that case, the patient doesn't have to travel to the hospital location. This could be done in a home setting. You could think about manufacturing operations where things need to be put together in a certain way, or certain piece parts need to be shipped together for the whole thing to be assembled. And now, wherever they are on the manufacturing floor, you could be tracking and then bringing them together. So you can go from one domain to the other, but getting these devices enabled with the right sensors and then connected onto the internet, it's that first pillar we talked about, ingest of data, that is now identifying the source, the data type, the amount of data, the timestamp, and so on. And then when you bring it into a big data repository, you have a mechanism of correlating them. You apply some machine learning to make sure that the right things are coming together based on what they should be. And then you have the use case of whether it's healthcare or whether it's manufacturing or retail or what have you. So these all technologies that we talked about are sort of related in a very interesting way. And you can imagine that once the data is flowing through all this, they may actually be enabled through blockchain as a mechanism to store and build a trackable flow of data. So whether it's big data, whether it's AI machine learning, whether it's blockchain or smart devices enabled through IoT, they sort of don't just exist on their own. They bring in all these technologies together to develop the real total solution for the customer.